everyone. This is my idea for an educational app called Keep It Moving. It's for physical education and those that are teaching it so that they can be able to do that through distant learning. My target audience is students K through 12. Teachers implement physical education through distant learning. School districts implement physical education through distant learning. Students who want to keep in shape or stay in shape, and those that want to get in shape. And it's available for students who want to prepare themselves to condition for an upcoming sports tryout. Students learn learning goals and outcomes for the app. Students will learn about their BMI, their body mass index, and things like that, how to work out properly for their body type, how to properly train for a sport without overexertion. Students will no longer have the fear of working out or not being able to do a sport in front of their peers, and helps students have a healthier lifestyle through an interactive app. The district and the teachers' learning goals and outcome would be teachers are able to provide lesson plans through the app by way of workout. Districts are able to apply physical education through distant learning, which is very difficult now, where we write it down in a book and tell them what to do, but there's no way of really monitoring that. Teachers are able to check on individuals and individual students and their physical education. So you might have a student that is struggling in a certain area, but by the way of you looking at that video, you're able to provide feedback and encouragement for that particular student, where it's not calling them out in front of the entire class. Coaches are able to help their athletes condition for and prepare for an upcoming season, whether it's volleyball or soccer or football. They're able to provide them with a workout plan geared to conditioning them for that sport. The theme of the app is characters and avatars. The student and educator can create one that looks just like them. The avatar will be interactive, personalized character. They can choose how to design their own. Whatever workout or position the student or teacher is in, the character can mimic. So once they create those characters, if they're doing the movements themselves, the avatar can mimic those movements. They can choose to join in and work out with classmates and just with the instructor. The design it's interactive and easily accessible for students and teachers. It encourages daily engagement through teachers' lessons plan and student challenges. Interactive video responses by students and teachers or their avatars providing feedback. Teachers are able to design lessons based on the grade level. So educators are able to look at the class that they're teaching, whether it's a kindergarten class or a 12th grade class, and assign workouts that are appropriate for the age group that they are dealing with at the time. The videos that they can create will be a certain span where students are able to look at it and see what their teacher did, and they're able to mimic that, whether it's with their avatars or with their own personal videos. You can have the avatar sitting right there with you while you're doing the workout. So it's kind of very interactive, where they're able to have a fun setting where they can do that. Educator activities, the teacher designs the classroom, sort of like a Google Classroom, where you'll provide a code for the students to add. Once you create your classroom, it's there for you. You can change it for every year once you get new students, and you just generate a new code and provide them with the code. Teachers create the exercise videos with themselves or the avatar, or both with the avatar and themselves, to make it more fun and interactive for the students. And they decide the length based on, of course, the grade level that they're teaching. And the teacher will be able to provide quizzes at the end of each lesson to ensure students are interacting and see how they're moving and getting their those juices flowing while they're at home. Student activities. Students create the avatars and add them to the teacher's class. Students are able to decide if their videos will be private for private for the teacher only, or for public where their classmates can see. Students watch lessons for the day and mimic it. They complete video responses to earn grade and are able to add classmates to the videos. So you do want to try to encourage your students to be able to participate with their classrooms, but you do have those introverted students that might not necessarily participate if they have that those eyes viewing on them, or they might just feel comfortable with a couple of their friends where they can create those workout video responses to the lesson and send them into the teacher for feedback. So it is interactive where the students can choose who they want to interact with in the classroom so that they are more comfortable with doing these type of lessons with each other. And of course, the students are able to respond to the quizzes through a video setting. It'll be accessible everywhere. You can go to the Google App Store or the Apple App Store and download this to any device, computer, whatever you have at home. You just need to make sure that you have an internet connection to be able to participate in the app. The summary is pretty much it's an interactive app designed for educators and students, helps build confidence in those students that are not necessarily outgoing, and a great way to implement physical education in a distant learning environment. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.